Uh, Dear students, today we will start new unit, mental health and hygiene. Let's understand the meaning and definitions of mental health and hygiene. First of all, we will consider here Hadfield's view. Mental health is the full and harmonious functioning of the whole personality. इसी तरह World Health Organization says mental health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. इसके बाद आपके सिलेबस में है शेफर्स व्यू. इसी तरह हेडफील्ड जो है इसकी डेफिनेशन आपके सिलेबस में है मेंटल hygiene. Firstly, we consider definition of mental health. Let us discuss the definition of mental hygiene. Hadfield's view, mental hygiene is concerned with the maintenance of mental health and the prevention of mental disorder. Second is Schaffer's view. In the broad-crossed sense, the aim of mental hygiene is to help all persons achieve fuller, happier, more harmonious, and more effective existence. Now let's discuss importance of mental health and hygiene. फर्स्ट इसमें आता है फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट. Mental health or mental hygiene is the basic factor that contributes to the maintenance of physical health. Mental health of the person helps him in developing good physical health. Number second, intellectual development. Mental health or mental hygiene helps the person in making the best use of his intellectual capacities like thinking, reasoning, imagination, concentration, memory, problem solving, and creativity. थर्ड इसमें आता है इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट. Mental health or mental hygiene and emotional development are closely related to each other. A mentally healthy person is emotionally mature and stable. Mental health helps in proper emotional development. फोर्थ इसका है सोशल डेवलपमेंट. Mental health or mental hygiene helps the person in maintaining healthy social relationships. It assists him in adequate social development and proper social adjustment. फिफ्थ इसका है aesthetic development. Mental health or mental hygiene helps a person in the development of proper aesthetic and artistic sense. Sixth इसका आता है moral development. A sound mental health or mental hygiene is conducive to moral development. A person who enjoys good mental health has reasonable control over his emotions and channelizes his energy according to the ethical norms of the society. Thus, mental health helps in proper moral development. Seventh है इसका realization of goals. Mental health or mental hygiene helps in person in the realization of the goals of life, which gives him satisfaction and happiness. इसके बाद इसका आता है प्रिवेंशन ऑफ मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स. मेंटल हेल्थ और मेंटल हाइजीन helps in person in protecting him against mental illness, abnormalities of behavior, and mental disorders. It checks emotional disintegration and disturbance and disbalance. And the last one is integrated personality. Mental health or mental hygiene helps in the development of a wholesome, balanced, integrated, and harmonious functioning of personality. It promotes peace of mind, satisfaction, happiness, and harmony with the self and the world. This was all about this need and importance of mental health and hygiene. In next class, we will discuss factors of mental hygiene.